Welcome to Markets on Air. Saudi Arabia, Mecca for investment. Water pumps put to the test in Riyadh. KSB products from Germany are selling well in Saudi Arabia. The pumps are assembled in this factory. The parts are made in Germany, a label that is valued in Saudi Arabia, just like the German firms operating here.
You have to be there. You cannot manage your growth from abroad. You have to have a local partner and be locally present.
Demand is likely to remain high in Saudi Arabia. There are construction projects everywhere. The kingdom plans to invest nearly 700 billion euros in its infrastructure until the year 2020, providing opportunities for German industry.
German businesses are well positioned here. We are, after all, Saudi Arabia's third largest supplier.
Germany Trade and Invest puts the volume of trade between the two countries at more than 5 billion euros in the first half of 2012. That's up 47% year on year. And Saudi Arabia is looking for new partners in 2013. The government wants to spend more money on training and education, another area where Germany has a good reputation and good opportunities.
Modern classrooms learning in 3D. Biology class made fun. We're inside the human ear, virtually at least. 3D computer animation makes it possible.
It's fun, and you learn more this way. Yes, I agree. It helps you understand how things work.
Interactive learning in 3D is not widespread in Germany's schools, but a small software company in Stuttgart called Vincenzo could change that. Company founder Martin Zimmermann originally developed 3D visualization software 8 years ago. The first customers were car companies looking to improve production. But Zimmermann saw scope for other applications, including schools. The software systems are already selling around the world. Vincenzo wants to export the human ear unit to Asia, where students and medical personnel can use it for training purposes. We've already had the first modules translated into Vietnamese, and we're working on a Chinese version. It is amazing how open people are in Asia to new learning methods, much more so than here in Europe.
Ist im asiatischen Markt eigentlich sehr viel höher noch wie bei uns in Europa.
A complete package, including a computer, monitor, and software, costs 15,000 euros. Zimmermann invites potential sponsors to see and learn for themselves by visiting his virtual realities.
110.3 billion euros. That's how much Germany's federal, state, and local governments spent on education in 2012. The figure, based on official estimates by the Federal Statistics Office, is an all-time record. State funding for kindergartens, schools and universities increased by some 5 billion euros in 2012 compared to the previous year.
Record year for mechanical engineering. Business is booming despite the euro crisis. German mechanical engineers posted sales of 209 billion euros in 2012, a higher figure than ever before. Once again, it's exporters who are leading the pack. German exports to the US, for example, grew by more than 20%.
New patent laws for Europe. The European Parliament has passed a common patent law scheme that will make it much easier for companies and inventors to file patents throughout the EU starting in 2014. It allows applicants to file in just one country instead of registering in each EU country individually, which came at a hefty cost.
Giant in Hamburg harbor. The Marco Polo is the world's biggest container ship, and it has now docked in Germany for the first time. Nearly 400 meters long and more than 50 meters wide, the ship is bigger than an aircraft carrier, and the vessel holds more than 16,000 containers.
Germany and China trade with success. Some 400 politicians and entrepreneurs attended the German-Chinese Business Summit in Hamburg. China is becoming increasingly important for the world economy. Robust growth continues in China, despite economic troubles elsewhere.
Wages in China have gone up by 10% annually over the past 5 years. These are fantastic figures. We can't achieve that kind of growth here.
The Chinese guests are confident the country can achieve its goal of doubling gross domestic product by 2020. Billions will go into research and development. The European debt crisis is considered a minor issue.
I believe the economic foundation of the EU is still very solid, so I'm optimistic about the future.
Trade may have slowed somewhat in recent months, but still, every third container passing through Hamburg harbor is coming from or going to China. That was Markets on Air.